On top with tori for today, University of Transportation for Katsina State go help grow the state well. Na Governor Aminu Masari na im yarn this one. Unto the many gbaradi wey dey ground to fit commission project for Daura Katsina State, the one wey carry Naija President Muhammadu Buhari tanda put for Daura, Governor Aminu Masari wey be Katsina State Governor, e don carry ogbonge government pipo waka go meet President Muhammadu Buhari to take salute am unto the better support wey im administration dey get. Dem talk on top how the University of Transport wey dem wan commission for the state go fit tanda well when dem finish am.
We are very, very happy. Katsina is a state of education. So additional university, especially of transportation, will add more to the value in Katsina State. And we are grateful to Mr. President for accepting to cite this university in the state.
Governor Aminu Masari can use the opportunity to take young President Muhammadu Buhari on top security matter for Katsina State. As e be say many things don dey ground wey federal government don put for ground and other border states dem wey dey around dem. Apart from saying dem bin wan commission transportation university for Daura Katsina State, President Muhammadu Buhari go still follow inaugurate road project down on Shagala Road wey Aminu Masari administration wey tanda put for ground.
Yesterday we had a by-election in one of the most troubled local governments. And we had it peacefully even throughout the night. There was no single instance. So we are happy with the efforts we are making, and we believe that we will continue to maintain, engage and dialogue with all concerned so that we have a lasting peace. Our aim is to restore normalcy to Katsina State. Inshallah, we will be there.
Now here we see the informate reach on top with tori for today as Katsina State Governor Aminu Masari, e don yarn and say the University of Transportation wey dem wan commission for the state, e go help grow better deve for Katsina. And this one na on top the 5-day working visit wey President Muhammadu Buhari wey carry go Katsina on top commissioning of projects dem for the state. Make una come sabi say na T Live Media na im dey yarn una this ogbonge tori on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now, fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.